Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to easily connect your custom domain to ConvertKit so you can send emails from your own branded address. First, log in to your ConvertKit account. Then, from your dashboard, click on your profile icon at the top right and select Settings. In the Settings menu, select Email Settings. This is where you can verify your sending domain and customize your sender details. Scroll down until you find a section called Verified Sending Domains. Click Add Domain and enter your custom domain, for example, yourname.com. ConvertKit will now show you two CNAME records. Copy each one carefully. You'll need to add them to your domain provider's DNS settings. Next, go to your domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Open your DNS or zone editor and add those two CNAME records exactly as shown. After saving your DNS changes, go back to ConvertKit and click Verify Domain. It might take a few minutes to update depending on your registrar. Once verified, scroll up to your Default From email and select the address using your connected domain. This ensures your emails come from your branded address. And that's how you connect your domain to ConvertKit easily. Now your campaigns will look more professional and deliver better. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more ConvertKit tutorials.